that's my bestie, my bestie, my best friend. Go best friend. Nigga living TTG and everything is still.
What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Naya here back with another video. So if you didn't see by the title, I am making slime with shampoo and flour. And this is what I made. It's not that stretchy. It was stretchy since I messed it up. Because I kept needing it, but it's not that stretchy no more. But we're going to make the slime I'm about to make right now stretchy. So if you hear that noise in the background, sorry for that. But let's get on to the video. Ingredients you will be needing is a container, something to mix with, flour, and some body wash or shampoo. I got body wash. So first, you want to pour how much body wash or shampoo you want. So I'm pouring this much. And so I'm just gonna mix it up. See, it's already coming together. Okay, so then you want to pour a little at a time, then mix. Now you will put this in the freezer about 5 minutes. This ain't gonna cheat. It's in the freezer. Okay, so I'll take it out the freezer for 5 minutes. It looks like this. Okay, and then if you have baby oil or vegetable oil, you want to use that. Make sure you flatten it down to put the baby oil in it. So I have this baby oil. And just knead it. Just knead it. Keep kneading it. It will probably smell like your shampoo, to be honest, or body wash. You could do this with shampoo and body wash, but it works better with shampoo. So, you got, oh, not done using it. Okay, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, and comment down below what else should we do. And I'm not with Donna again, because I'm not with her. So, and you got your stuff. You can add some more baby. Okay, then go. So I added more baby oil, and this is how it turned out. It turned out wonderful. Yeah, and this is how you make it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.